Are you a charity, church, congregation, or service that relies on community donations to stay successful? Trust us, we know how hard this year must have been on you. The following tutorial will show you how to easily set up a donation process on your website, so even though you can't have the live gatherings you're used to, you can still get the support that you need. On your website builder, create and drag a button to your desired location and rename it Donate, or your preferred title. The second step towards creating your donation value is to add them as a product. Go to Settings and click E-commerce, then click Add Product. Input your product image, the product name, like a $20 donation, and the price. Save the options you prefer. Click on your Donate product and select SEO from the top menu tabs. Copy the green URL. Find the Donate button on your website and paste and link that URL to the Donate button. Save the link, save the website, and publish. And your Donate button will now link to a donation product URL. But wait! You will likely want to change the labels for your donation products, as they originally appear as In Stock and Add to Bag. You can use the Store Label Editor to change the phrasing by going to Settings and selecting Edit Store Labels. Click the Add Custom Label button, and then you can search for the label you want to replace. For example, if you want to change Add to Bag to Make a Donation, search the phrase Add to Bag and then replace it in the fields that appear with the desired new phrasing. Here's an example of how it looks on your online store. If you follow these easy instructions, you'll be all set and ready to receive donations through your website today. If you're having any issues with the setup process, don't worry. You can send us a message anytime at support@bookmark.com, and we'll be happy to help you out. Happy holidays!